Next one is a note. Note is the common difference of AB is TP minus TQ divided by P minus Q. Common difference of AB in the arithmetic progression is TP minus TQ divided by P minus Q. What is the TP? P ith term of arithmetic progressions. What is the TQ? Q ith term of arithmetic progressions. So what is the TP? The TP is defined as A plus P minus 1 into D. Right? What is the TQ? TQ is defined as A plus Q minus 1 into D. So P ith term and Q ith term. Okay. Take the difference. TP minus TQ. Right? It's called as equation 1. It's called as equation 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2 implies what? TP minus TQ is equal to A minus A. A minus A, 0. Next, P minus 1 into D minus Q minus 1 into D. Okay. Next, TP minus TQ is equal to, so P into D, PD minus D minus Q into D, QD, Q into D minus 1 minus Q into D. So minus into minus plus D. Okay. So minus D plus D gets cancelled. TP minus TQ is equal to, what is the common difference here? So P minus Q, D is the common difference. So PD minus QD, what is the common difference? D is the common difference. So solve for D. What is D? TP minus TQ divided by P minus Q is equal to, this is a very important formula. So suppose P ith terms are given, Q ith terms are given. So what is common difference? Right? Sometimes first term is given, for just first term is given, P ith term is given, Q ith term is given. So we don't know the common difference. How to calculate? So certainly, so use this formula. So P ith term, suppose 24th term is 3. Is the 26th term is 6. What is the common difference? What is the common difference? Certainly, is the 24 minus 26. T24 minus 326 divided by 24 minus 26. We get a common difference. Okay na? ಯಾವ time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ? ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎ ನ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೊ 1 5. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ P ith term is 3. Q ith term is 6. So what is the common difference? ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಸೊ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the nth term of the sequence? First of all, the given sequence is in AP or not. Arithmetic progressions or not. So take the difference. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. So common difference is same. What is the common difference? 1. Therefore, so this sequence is what? Arithmetic progressions. Okay na? Hagagi, the nth term is what? Nth term. Here, so here, first term of this sequence, first term, each and every term, each and every number of the sequence acts as what? Term of the sequence. Here, first term of the sequence is what? 1. The first term always taken as a small a. Okay. What is the common difference? Common difference is the difference between any two consecutive terms. Here I am taking 2 and 1 are the consecutive terms. So take the difference. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Am I clear? So first term is 1, common difference is 1. Okay. Generally, nth term of AP is what? Nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So Tn is equal to, what is A? 1 plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is 1. 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. N. nth term of this sequence is n. Suppose n is equal to 1 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು, 3 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ so suppose one sequence ಅನ್ನ nth term of the sequence ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ n ಗೆ ನೀವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ n ಇದೆ, ಇವಾಗ 1 ಕೊಡಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಕೊಡಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ so this term gives every term of the sequence. Therefore n is called nth term or general term of the sequence. Nth term or general term of the sequence. Okay. So Tn sequence, Tn nth term or so general term of the sequence. So some another example is a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on infinity. Okay. What is the first term here? First term is 2. Okay. What is the common difference? The difference between any two terms. The difference between any two consecutive terms. That is important. The difference between any two terms is wrong. And the difference between 2 and 6 are. Okay, na? The difference between any two consecutive terms. 4 minus 2 is the 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Okay. So we know that nth term of the arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 into T. Okay. So Tn is equal to, here first term is 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is also 2. Simplify 2 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 is the plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, gives 2n. Right? Nth term of the arithmetic progression is 2n. So here put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2 gives the first term of the sequence. Suppose put n is equal to 2, what happens? So 2 into 2, 4, second term of the sequence. So n is equal to 3 kodi. So 2 into 3, 6. Alright, so this term generates all the term of the sequence. So this term is called nth term of the sequence or general term of the arithmetic progression. For that, so e sequencing matra. 2n is the general term of the sequence or nth term of the corresponding sequence. Here n is the general term of the arithmetic progression or nth term of the arithmetic progression. Okay na? How to calculate madadanta? First make sure that the given sequence is in AP or not. Suppose the given sequence is in AP, so how to calculate nth term? So already I discussed it. So what is the nth term of AP? So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So clarify. So first write down the first term. So and then common difference. What is common difference? The difference between any two consecutive terms is common difference. So substitute all those. So work out and get nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. First nth term of AP ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ AP ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಪಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಪಿ? ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಪಿ, ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ always gives the same value. So here 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, like this. Here 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, gives the same value. Therefore, this is an AP, where the corresponding nth term is 2n here n. Okay. So AP ನಲ್ಲಿ nth term ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?